Are you struggling to maintain the order of items in your EnumMap while coding in Java? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to preserve order with an EnumMap. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want to keep things organized in your code, but the default behavior of an EnumMap doesn't guarantee order. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I preserve order with an EnumMap in Java? They mentioned that they know how to use a linked hash map for a hash map, but are unsure how to achieve the same with an EnumMap. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why does this happen? An EnumMap is designed to be efficient and fast, but it doesn't maintain the order of insertion like a linked hash map does. Understanding this difference is crucial for finding a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will help you manage your collections in Java more effectively. To preserve the order of items in an EnumMap, the user can utilize a linked hash map to maintain the insertion order. However, since EnumMap itself does not support ordering, we will need to combine it with a different approach. The user can create a linked hash map to hold the entries and then populate the EnumMap based on the order stored in the linked hash map. This way, the user can maintain the order while still using the EnumMap for its advantages. Next, the user should populate the linked hash map with the desired entries. After that, they can transfer the entries to the EnumMap, ensuring that the order is preserved. Finally, the user can create the EnumMap and fill it with the entries from the linked hash map. This will allow them to maintain the order while benefiting from the EnumMap's performance. Fun fact, did you know that EnumMaps are actually faster than hash maps for enums? They are optimized for performance, which is why they are a great choice for enum keys. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that EnumMaps maintain the natural order of their keys, which is the order in which the enum constants are declared. This means that when you use an EnumMap, it is already sorted internally and does not support a different order, such as insertion order. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach suggests that you don't actually need an EnumMap. Instead, you can simply use a linked hash map. This will allow you to maintain the insertion order of your keys and their associated values. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. One alternative approach is to use a linked hash map and create an EnumMap from it whenever needed. This allows you to maintain the order while still utilizing EnumMap functionality. Another suggestion is to extend the EnumMap class itself. This could provide a custom implementation that meets your ordering needs. Lastly, a more unconventional idea is to modify the content type enum to include mutable static ordering information. However, this method is considered hacky and is better suited for testing purposes. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your keys in a separate list when using an EnumMap if you need to maintain order. This simple practice can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Now you know how to preserve order with an EnumMap in Java. Remember, using a list alongside your EnumMap is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.